potential, which is in case of refrigerants. This is a very important factor because our ozone layer depletion is there, which we discussed in the last slide, and here we are discussing global warming potential, by which what is happening, the effect in the environment, what heat increase in the temperature. As we know that glaciers are decreasing due to this global warming. So the potential cause of that global warming, one of the potential cause is refrigerants. So refrigerants, so you should choose the refrigerant as low as this GWP, global warming potential, should be low for those refrigerants. So in past, actually we was using the refrigerant which is having the larger global warming potential. But there is one scenario that if we are talking about the ozone depletion potential of the refrigerants with zero ozone depletion potential but high value of a global warming potential, such as in case of R134. In case of R134, ozone depletion potential is zero, but global warming potential is very high, which is approximately 1200. And ASHRAE is a one society for in case of refrigerants, which divide the refrigerant into 6 different categories, and these categories as per the safety standards. So these for the safety standards, they categorize from A1 to A3 and B1 to B3. So these are the 6 categories, and group 1 is the category, group 1, which is the A1 category, where it comes the R11, R12, R22, R134A, R744. All these are the least dangerous group represents. So A1 is the least dangerous, and B3, you can say this is belongs to highly dangerous. Okay, so in B3 category there is a refrigerant which is the R1140. So what is this R11, R112, R22? This will discuss in the coming slides. So this is the category which is defined by the ASHRAE society, which everyone needs to follow, and accordingly needs to select the this refrigerant for the purpose of refrigeration.